Hi, today we got a patient. 3 years ago he came to consult me in 2016. Today he's back and we're going to have a review. Can you introduce yourself, Mr. Harnaik?
I'm Harnaik. I'm from the UK. I was living here in Malaysia 3 years ago, and when I came I found I had a lot of really bad hair loss with the humidity, and it was see-through at the front and at the crown, as you can see in the pictures. And it's very self-conscious, especially when you're working in this environment. So when I came to Glomac, Dr. Jazz, he was really kind and he showed me everything of the different stages, explained step by step and took me through what was the next step, which I needed, showed me what I could have and the method, because I was looking at taking the strip completely off, and he introduced me to the SMART FUE.
This is his photo. He has done around here at the crown area, then the frontal temple angle, the hairline, we fill up the dead skin. What would you like to advise? Is anybody looking for hair transplant? People are going to all over the country. What is actually you would like to give some advice to them?
And number one is find yourself a reputable doctor and look in the before and afters, look for people who have a similar stage of hair loss that you have, and make the appointment, come see it, get it done, and you can get it done within a week here. When I came, it was already booked in a week. Dr. Jazz took me, said take it at your own pace, and more importantly, make sure you look at the team around you as well and the employees. The people here were so kind, it felt like the perfect experience, and even the after experience. Every year I come back and you're welcomed with warm hands, and I think that is extremely important. So just take it as an experience, just take the plunge, I would say, because I feel a lot happier, and I think, I don't worry about it so much, and I think that's a big one less worry I've got to take in my head.